Hello guys, this is Ali from AB Mowing Garden and Landscape Service. Today here at Redcliffe Bears WA, we just finished about 90 square meters of 35 mil supreme artificial grass. Look at that color, nice and beautiful. This is about 75 square meters. We have another small area, it's about 15 square meters. This is the small area, is about 15 square meters. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? It's less maintained and people like artificial grass, and we like always to help our customer. So please like and subscribe, and don't forget to write comment. We'd like to hear from you, and also you can follow us on Facebook. Until we see you again in next project, goodbye for now.